Umndeni wakwaMatthews owaqemeke ngeqwantwala uyishaya indiva esicelo soshwele esivela kumbulali wendodakazi yawo uDonovan Moodley. Lo mndeni usaqhubeka nokunxusa abezobulungiswa ukuthi bengamdedeli uMoodley.
Justice needs to be seen to be done. As a country, we need to understand that there are consequences to these crimes. And yes, there is rehabilitation which is possible. But from what we've seen from Moodley is that there's been no rehabilitation. I mean, he's vexatious in his litigation. We've had since December about 4 court cases that he's taken. If that's a sign of remorse, I don't know. Is it not something that says, man up, take your punishment?
Ngomasingane nyakenye wanqatshela ushwele kodwa isinqumo sabekwe eceleni inkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli. Ezinsukwini ezimbalwa ezedlule uMoodley uzamile ukuthi kumisa ukulalela kwesicelo sakhe sikashwele ethakanikezwanga wonke amaphepha afanele kodwa azange ephumelele.
On a legal basis, he is not entitled to parole because it was a life sentence, and we believe that he should serve life, and life should be a minimum of 25 years. There was then a very technical legal argument about why that should not apply, and we argued against that. And then secondly, we argued about the fact that the impact on the victims is profound. We still don't believe we have the full truth. We still don't believe that he has shown remorse. We still don't believe he has been rehabilitated.
Uma lolu hlelo seliphothulwe ngaphakathi, ibhodi likashwele lizobhekisisa yonke imininingwane bese lenza izincomo emkhandlwini wezokuhlunyeleliswa kwezemilo. Umkhandlu wona uyobe usudlulisela kungqongqoshe wezobulungiswa nezokuhlunyeleliswa kwezemilo ukuze aphume nesinqumo.